This 2021 Coachmen Apex 213 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 25 feet 1 inch in length and features sleep 6, water heater, LP detector, microwave, smoke detector, awning, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Coachmen Apex 213 is 3,826 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.